See, see, sumos are going. They are wrestlers. See, it is flying. Hey everyone, how are you all doing? So before you start watching this video till the end, let me tell you that this video is for people who are JLPT N2 or N1 certified, or any of your known is N2 or N1 certified, because this time the location is going to be Tokyo, Japan. Hiring for two PMO bilingual positions in Tokyo, Japan. These two positions are going to be full-time positions. It's not contractual, because in contractual there are many issues in Japan. Usually there are 3 months contract in Japan, and it gets renewed on 3 months basis. Like first you will be on a contract for 3 months, then it will be renewed for next 3 months, next 3 months, next 3 months. And as you know that recently there was a news of recession in Japan. So having a contractual job at this time when recession is going on in Japan would not be a very good idea, no matter how much package you are getting. So better to look for permanent or full-time positions if you want peace of mind. This time we have got two positions, and that is PMO positions for Tokyo location. If you don't know what PMO stands for, PMO stands for Project Management Officer. Project Management Office also usually people call, but this is Project Management Officer. And you have to be a bilingual, of course, if you are coming to Japan. There are positions where bilingual is not required, like if you know English only, then also it will work, but this position is for bilinguals. Well, if you are JLPT N1 or N2 certified, then only watch the video till the end, or if you want to forward this video to someone, then you can watch. And if you are JLPT N2 or N1, so I want you to tell me what kanji is this. Whichever way, I don't know how it will come out in the camera, so this way also I am showing. So let me know what kanji is this in the comment section. That will test your JLPT or N2 level proficiency also. I'm just kidding. Here I have my laptop, so I'm going to be reading the criteria, the requirements which is there for getting into this job, for applying for this job. Watch till the end. So I will quickly read out the requirements, the job description and mandatory skills that you have to get into this job, and wherever explanation is required, I'll give that.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
So the job description is coordination of meetings, facilitation and presentation, preparation of MOM and status reporting. MOM stands for minutes of meetings. So MOM, if you don't know, it is a written record of the discussions, decisions, actions taken in a meeting. So you have to record MOM, and you have to prepare MOM and maybe submit it to the manager or the high level. Next, process and manage multiple subcommittees, understand the dependencies of tasks, promote and manage the overall product. Next, creation and management of WBS, schedule management. WBS stands for work breakdown structure. Like you are coming for a PMO role, right? Project management officer. So you have to manage a project. So obviously WBS is required in that, because you have to divide the work into smaller components and make it like how we can achieve a project successfully, like that. So how you are going to break the work into a structured format and achieve your goals. Next, hearing and management of issues and change. Now let's talk about mandatory skills. Wait, my hand is paining. Okay, so strong logical thinking ability and sense of responsibility. Next, possesses high communication skills and proactively interacts with team members and clients. You are managing a project, right? So you have to do this. You have to interact with team members proactively, like khud se. Next, persons with experience in consulting firms, major system integrators, or information in business companies. Next, at least 2 years of experience as a general PMO consultant or PM of a specific subcommittee. So if you have 2 years of PMO experience or project management experience, then it will be a good idea to apply for this job. Okay, so the proficiency test level 1 or 2, like JLPT N1 or N2. If you don't have JLPT N1 or N2, so you can have the native Japanese bilingual skills, like you talk like a native. If you have that, then also you can apply, even if you don't have N1 or N2, but if you have native Japanese level skills. Again, some basic things like document creation skills, PPT documentation creation, Excel, etc. Computer skills like branded touch typing. Computer skills, those who have mental and physical strength as PMO or PM. Mental and physical strength is required because you have to handle a team, you have to proactively deal with the team members, so you have to have some mental and physical. Okay, so this is done. I don't know how long the video is, but you know, I'm holding a laptop for so long time that it starts aching. Okay, so if you want to apply for this job, and I want you to do it as soon as possible, because the more early you apply, there are more chances of that person getting hired or getting interviewed. So if you want to come to Tokyo location, Japan, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm just kidding. So if you want to come to Tokyo location, Japan, in the description I have given one mail ID. Send your CV to the person's mail ID written below, and in the body of the mail mention that I have 2 years or 3 years of PMO experience, and if you don't have, then mention that also, that I don't have but I would like to apply. You never know what clicks through, and the opportunity comes your way. So keep applying, because I'm there for you. I'm informing you whenever any job opportunity is there. So don't worry, when I also gave interview for this Japan, I was also thinking whether I will get selected or not, or should I give interview or not. I don't have those skills, but I got hired. The same thing can happen to you also. Just keep applying. And yeah, if you like the video, you can like it and share it with others who are willing to come to Japan and have the skills that I just mentioned. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I make vlogs also on this channel, so keep watching those vlogs also. In the description I have one Telegram link also. Follow to that Telegram link. You will get to see a lot of content in Japanese language. Like the subtitles are in Japanese, but the verbal is English or Hindi. So I hope that will help you a lot. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.